Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and today we are going to see video presentation on screen recording for Android. It helps you to record the screen with inbuilt Android functionality. Go to Quick Setting. Swipe finger up or down to go to Quick Settings. 2. Find the Record Screen option and tap on it. Swipe finger up or down to go to Quick Settings. 3. Tap the On-Screen option button, and it will automatically start to capture the video output for you. In some cases, you have to click on the Start and Stop button which appears on your mobile screen. Thank you for watching presentation video on screen recording, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us on www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register. Thank you.